I'm pointing to their brains. That's Waller. That's Shellenberger. And that's Shorty. Picking their nose, picking their brain, telling them about the Shorty thing. You tried to send me to jail. And this is how you tried to send me to jail. You charged me with a bomb threat. Wouldn't let me out of jail till I pleaded guilty. And wouldn't gonna let me out of jail unless I pleaded guilty. You wouldn't give me a trial. I showed you why I was ready for trial in January. You denied me access to the court. You denied me a speedy trial, and you denied the witnesses on my behalf. Now right here, that's my probation thing. And probation says that if I catch another case, that you're going to violate my probation and send me back to Illinois for 5 years and settle that case in Illinois. Dog, you, Mr. Waller, contacted Shellenberger and told Shellenberger that if he got me locked up, that y'all would not squash the case, but violate my probation in the state of Illinois. So what Shellenberger did is allow Jake Davis file false charges against me. The same way you file false charges on me in Illinois, you file false charges on me in Maryland. Jake Davis ain't got no lease on Falls Road. They filed false papers with the court, the health department, and everybody else. And Shellenberger permitted them to file these false charges. Right there. Burglary. You permitted him to file these charges against me and you knew they were false. Jake ain't got a lease, he can't show an eviction notice. Jim and them were signing checks. They committed embezzlement, income tax evasion, federal and state. They did money transfers across state lines. Dude, you need to hit them in the pockets for real. And Shellenberger knew this. I got a witness that when Shellenberger called me, told me not to show up for court, not Shellenberger, but my public defender, told me not to show up to court. I had a witness. You didn't want me to show up to court so you could have violated my probation and say I didn't show up and you was going to charge me with these charges. Because, no, I'm not. You going to give me a day in court with those charges? Or you going to charge Jake and Jim for what they did? My customers know that Jake didn't have nothing to do with my store. My customers is here speaking on it. My customers is my witnesses. Those 4,500 signatures was my customers. And Jake ain't got nothing to do with my business. So you need to charge Jake Davis, James Hammond, Deron Battle, Michael Coons, Brother Insurance, SunTrust Bank, and Bank of America. Better charge it now, because like I said, you see a sue, dude, I'm going to sue y'all in such a way. State of Maryland can't afford this, but Bank of America can. Brother Insurance can. And y'all can't afford the public embarrassment. Dog, I'm not picking your nose. I'm picking your brain. I'm going to pick your pockets. And I'm giving a minority report to the president. Because he said, to my satisfaction, because you're going to give me my $250,000 you stole from me. You're going to give me my prominent place in society back. You're going to make Shorty the Shorty he was. Movie coming out. Book coming out. And you ain't took me to trial yet. That's not what the president wants to hear. He wants to hear about that investigation from last May that you didn't turn. You got to go through me. He wants to hear about the illegal incarceration. You got to go through me. You're going to hear me. President getting ready to get this week. And I'm going to give him the petition. Y'all been having a ball with me. Now I'm getting ready to stick you. Alright? Can't stay young, but I'm going to stick you. That's the letter saying I was making a movie. That's from Senator Cardin. See the date? That's going to the president. Getting ready to make copies of this and send it to the senators and the congressmen. And y'all going to do something about Shorty. And I'm going to send it to Lake County. Because I was making a movie, man. And these signatures from the different college students. Dude, I've been to North Carolina. I've been down to Raleigh. You know what I'm saying? I've been to North Carolina State, Chapel Hill. And I was making a movie. I was finding direction. I was giving direction. Lights, camera, action. Dude, I'm all of this and some. So, I hope you're ready. The issue of racism is going to be addressed in such a way